Hi guys, I'm in the garden today, so I thought I would just show you around for a change whilst I tell you about my week. So, stay with me guys.
It's been a really challenging week again this week. This weight loss journey, it just isn't easy. But what I've learned is that just like my garden, there are times where the garden is in bloom and it then dies back. And even though flowers and plants may not be blossoming, it's still working away. The plant is still working. It's having its bulb and its root system re-energized, reinvigorated, taking in all those nutrients, and when the time is ready it starts to grow and bloom again. And the weight loss journey is just like that for me, and I've really had to sit back and really think about that and take strength from it, and know that not every week I'm going to get losses, and not every day I'm going to be blooming and on plan, but to keep working the plan, just keep following it the best I can, because when I do, I will bloom, I will come into my own, and I will gain the results that I want. So it's been a challenging week, and in particular because I've been quite unwell. I've been really badly inflamed this week, and that's just thrown me out. I've not been able to stand, I've not been able to walk, and that has in turn impacted me being able to do just simple things like cooking. That being said, I did have some good news. I had a telephone consultation with one of my medical practitioners who was really pleased with my diabetes and my control, and my diabetes is doing really well. It's really improved, and I explained to him that one of the reasons is because of my weight loss and my increased activity. So I really was so concerned about getting on the scales this week. I really didn't want to get on the scales, because after having the bad week that I did, I just felt that seeing the figure on the scales would really demotivate me, because I really felt that it would be a gain. But the great thing about this community is the level of accountability, and I didn't want to not let anybody down by not putting out a video. So I decided I've got to do it. So I got on the scales, and I was so pleased to see a loss. I actually lost 1.5 pounds this week. So again, it really taught me that just like the plants and the flowers in the garden, sometimes when you least expect it, when you think that the plant has finished flowering for the season, a little flower or a little shoot will appear. And I think that is about, once you're still feeding your body good things, once you're still following your plan and doing what you're supposed to do, just like how a plant or flower is full of surprises, so is our bodies. So I was really delighted to see that loss, and that has really encouraged me, along with speaking to my diabetic consultant, to really push forward and have a good week, and not use the fact that I've been unwell to indulge in old habits and to eat foods that I really had made my mind up a few weeks ago I wasn't going to have. So I realised that that is no excuse, but at the times that I'm unwell, it's even more reason to eat healthily and eat good quality foods. So that has brought me some comfort this week. So guys, that's £1.50 off, and I'm really delighted. So how are you doing on your journey? Do let me know. Drop a comment down below. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and the bell. And give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, I will see you next week. Have a great week.